было нахуй.
The M2A2 Bradley crew of the Ukrainian 47th Magura Brigade fires at Russian positions in Donetsk region. Bombing of Russian positions by Vampire, Baba Yaga, Ukrainian heavy bomber drone, causing powerful explosions. Warriors of the 225th Separate Assault Battalion in Kursk Oblast.
Мы! 225-й!
225!
Окремий!
Окремий!
Штурмовий!
Штурмовий!
Батальйон!
Батальйон!
Ми!
Ми!
Команда!
Команда!
Вперед до перемоги!
Вперед до перемоги!
Слава Україні!
Героям слава!
A Russian is complaining that there's no one at the checkpoints 20 to 30 kilometers from the front line in the Kursk region.
Вот он, этот прекрасный блокпост Kursk, в котором опять этих чубатых пидорасов нету, блядь. Никого нахуй. Проходной двор ебаный.
Military expert Oleksiy Hetman explained that the advance of Ukrainian forces in the Kursk region has slowed because Russian troops are regrouping and reinforcing their positions to prevent further progress. He compared the situation to a window of opportunity that might only remain open for 2 to 3 weeks. 54 injured as a result of Russo shelling. 2 children aged 10 and 15 adults were hospitalized in the city's hospitals. 5 patients are in serious condition. Russian fascists double-tapped the original strike sites on civilians in Ukraine by launching additional missiles at the same targets with a delay to murder first responders as well. This happened in Lviv this night. 46th Air Mobile Brigade surrounded and captured Russian servicemen in Kurakov area. Canadian Senator armored fighting vehicle with installed combat module with GSH-23 aircraft gun and 14.5mm KPVT, MSPO 2024. Russian forces evacuating an abandoned Ukrainian Kozak MRAP. Judging by the bullet holes on the front window, the vehicle was ambushed. It is possible that this is one of the Kozaks abandoned near Giri, after they were ambushed by a BTR-82 and soldiers from the 801st in Kursk.
Как-то так, блядь, ёбаный стыд, блядь. Бляха, хлопидоры, придите в себя, ёбаный стыд, блядь. Эй! Ассаламу алейкум, парни! Эй!
One of the iconic videos from the first day of the war. A Ukrainian MiG-29 pilot takes off during a Russian missile attack against his base. Explosions can be seen in the background. Nerves of steel. Hey everyone. Today, I want to tell you about an important project that needs our support. It's called Safe Terrain, an initiative by United 24 that's working to clear Ukrainian land of mines and make it safe for people to live and work. This fundraiser is led by actor Mark Hamill and historian Timothy Snyder, who are raising funds to purchase advanced demining robots. These robots are already saving lives by neutralizing dangerous explosives. Every donation helps buy more of them, speeding up the process and protecting more lives. So, please consider donating. Every bit counts. And don't forget to follow United 24 Media for more updates on how your contributions are making a difference.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.